So today we're going to talk about dividing fractions and mixed numbers. So this is part 2 of your dividing fractions notes. So the first thing we want to do is change the mixed number into an improper fraction. So we should already know how to do this because we have to do this in order to multiply fractions. So when you're dividing fractions, you do the same thing. You change the mixed number into improper fractions. And then the first fraction stays the same, so we keep it. We change the division symbol to a multiplication symbol. We flip the second fraction upside down, which is known as the reciprocal. And the problem is now a multiplication problem. So we simply follow the steps for multiplying fractions. Our directions say to find the quotient, make sure to simplify your answers. All right, so let's look at number 3. So we have 2/5 divided by 1 3/4. So the first thing we want to do is rewrite our problem so that we can change our mixed number into an improper fraction. So we have 2/5 divided by. So in order to change to an improper fraction, we multiply 4 times 1, and then we add 3. So 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7, and we keep our denominator. Now that we have a division problem written in an appropriate manner, we're going to divide our fractions. So the first step is to keep our first fraction, change division to multiplication, and then flip our second fraction. So we get 4 as the numerator and 7 as the denominator. Multiply straight across, we get 8 over 35. Now, that is our answer because there is no number that can go into both 8 and 35. I should say no whole number that can go into both 8 and 35. So 8 over 35 is our answer. All right, let's look at number 4. We're going to rewrite our problem. First, we're going to change this into an improper fraction. So 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 is 20. Keep our denominator at 3. Divided by 1/9. Then we're going to follow our steps to divide the fractions. So we keep our first fraction, change division to multiplication, and then we're going to flip our second fraction. So 9 becomes the numerator and 1 becomes the denominator. So we have 20 over 3. So 20 over 3 times 9 over 1. 20 times 9 is 180. And then 3 times 1 is 3. All right, so then we simplify. All right, and when we simplify, 3 goes into 180 60 times. So our answer is 60. All right, now let's do number 5. All right, we're going to rewrite our problem. 4 times 3 plus 2, so that's 12, plus 2 is 14 over 3. Divided by 9 times 2 is 18, plus 2 is 20 over 9. And then we can follow our steps to divide the fractions. So we keep our 14 over 3. We change division to multiplication. And we flip our second fraction. So we get 9 over 20. All right, multiplying fractions. 14 times 9 is 126. Over 3 times 20, which is 60. And that goes in 2 times with 6 left over. Then we simplify it. So we get 2 and 1/10. All right, so our answer is 2 and 1/10. All right, this is part 2 of your dividing fractions notes, division with a fraction and a mixed number.